Problems with technology. There is no doubt that it is technology that has brought us out of the jungle age to the satellite age. There is no doubt that technology has solved our socio-economic problems to a large extent. There is no doubt that technology can be used to improve our lifestyles further. But nobody seems to have given a thought to how humans need to adjust to technological advancement. Technology, we must admit, has made life more comfortable, but it has also created problems of its own, and some of them even threaten our lives. It has increased our mobility. From bullock carts, we have moved on to the era of cars even for local movement. Cars, no doubt, have made life more comfortable. We can reach our destination fast and save time as well as money. But this new technology has brought a lot of problems. A lot of pollution, congested roads, shortage of parking areas, noise pollution, etc. Man has developed physical problems too because he has stopped walking. The new age diseases like obesity, diabetes, blood pressure are catching up. With the development of science and technology, our daily life also has become easier. Microwave ovens ensure that we can have hot food at any time of day or night. Mobile phones ensure that we remain connected whether we are at the airport or walking down the road. The advanced methods of farming ensure that we have enough to eat, so much so that even when we waste a lot, we are secure in our belief that we are not likely to fall short. Yet, this has promoted a culture of waste. Besides, the excessive use of chemicals and pesticides are damaging not only human health but also the quality of soil and its future productivity. Yet, I believe that all the disadvantages of technology stated above result not so much from technology as such, but from our lack of judgment. If only we are selective in the use of technology, if only we take adequate safeguard, there is no reason why technology should not be an unmixed blessing. Technology is an important part of our lives, but we should be careful and we should not be completely dependent on it. Fire Brigade. Whenever a fire breaks out, the fire brigade throws water on it to cool the burning fuel to a temperature below the ignition point. The soda acid extinguisher also works on this principle. In the case of fires caused by oil, sparkling water is not effective. The oil, being lighter than water, always floats on the surface of the water and continues to burn. In such cases, the foam type of fire extinguisher containing acid and sodium bicarbonate solution is used. To extinguish fires caused by electricity, water cannot be used because this would result in electrocution of the people involved. In such cases, fire extinguisher based on carbon tetrachloride is used. The carbon tetrachloride liquid vaporizes on coming in contact with the burning material. Since these vapors are heavier than air, they settle on the burning material and cut off the supply of air. While using carbon tetrachloride extinguisher, it is advisable to cover the mouth and nose with wet cloth to protect oneself from the poisonous effect of carbon tetrachloride vapors. Importance of childhood. Childhood is the tender stage of one's life, but the upbringing is going to have a great impact on the same. To compete and to cooperate are two different aspects, but I feel they are not poles apart. And one could well be a part of the other. If I have to choose, I believe to cooperate is more important than to compete. Winning as an individual is not everything, but winning as a team is. I feel that the desire to compete comes from within. It generally does not have to be installed. But if the competitive spirit is not present, parents should have developed it. We are living in the age of cutthroat competition and survival instincts need to come first. But often this creates undue pressure on the poor child. In journal, however, competition motivates children to do better than their friends. They feel honored when they win as individual and do not like to share the name and fame. To compete is important, but we should not forget to cooperate with each other. When one cooperates, things become easier and more effective. The spirit of cooperation inculcates a proper understanding of teamwork, discipline, tolerance, and the feeling of let him also grow. In the organizational setup of today, team performance or group performance counts for more than an individual's performance. The organization, after all, has to prosper as a whole. Competition does bring the best out because everyone is working hard to achieve. The one who works in cooperation may not be in the limelight, but no less an achiever. Society is a big family. We should learn to cooperate with one another. The optimum situation, of course, is if both the virtues are present. Competition will bring excellence, cooperation will bring team performance as of a well oiled machine.